My name is Amy, and our home search was actually fairly easy. We went out looking for a home, and we actually kind of fell upon this spec home and fell in love. Our first home that we purchased here in Michigan about 17 years ago was actually an Allen Edwin home. And we lived there and absolutely loved it. And when life changed and things in our family changed, we decided to find a new home, and we happily moved into another Allen Edwin home. So we have the Traditions 3400, and we are in the Applegate Woods community in Kalamazoo. I love so many things about our home. I think when we first went into the house, it was just the layout. Like, I just loved the open floor plan. And when I walked in and saw the kitchen, I absolutely fell in love. We've been there a little over a year now, and I would say I still absolutely love the kitchen. It's just so inviting. The big island for everybody to kind of congregate around is so lovely. There's so much storage. Probably a surprising favorite is our finished basement. I just love having that space for the kids, and they can have their friends over. And I really love that we are on a wooded lot. It's just very peaceful and so beautiful. I love even just when you drive into our neighborhood and you see the beautiful sign, and then our neighborhood, all the lots are wooded. So it's just so beautiful and peaceful back there. I think that's probably what I love the most. I also love the location of our community. It's just so great. There's stores very close to us. You can hop on the highway very quickly. All the lots are just beautiful. I really love it out there. I think what I loved the most was getting to know all the people that we were blessed to work with in the Allen Edwin community. They were all so wonderful. From the very first day when we made the call that we wanted to go see the house, all through the sales process, Allen Edwin was really great with communication, always available to us to answer any questions we had and work through things with us. When we did move into the house, if we had anything that needed to be tweaked or changed, Allen Edwin was very quick in the response. The girls in the office at Allen Edwin are absolutely amazing, the nicest, kindest people to work with. The way we actually fell upon our house is we went to look at another Allen Edwin home that was, I think, about 2 or 3 years old. It was absolutely gorgeous, loved everything about it. And as we were driving out, we happened to see this Allen Edwin neighborhood, Applegate Woods, and we drove back and we saw the house and really just fell in love with the floor plan and the lot. The lot is so beautiful too. So it was a pretty easy decision to go with Allen Edwin.